Hey, Bronco fanatics, Keith with Rising Phoenix Bronco, and I guess it's becoming a tradition with us to start underneath the Bronco. Last week it was the Durale, but this week we got the drive shafts in from Tom Woods and got them in hooked up to the Dana 20. And by the way, that output shaft has to be a Spicer, not a Borg Warner. Only difference is the holes are further out on this guy, and I didn't know that. And someone along the line put a Spicer output shaft. That's the one you need. And luckily, I had an extra one. Somebody had converted, so we use that on the rear. At least we'll be able to move, so yay. So also our welder is supposed to be back this week, so that'll be a nice thing. And we'll have him not only we got the steel for putting underneath the seat and getting that all squared away, so we'll get him on that this week. What else did we do? Did a lot of work up in the front engine bay. Painted the fan because the black was just annoying the crap out of me. Fan shroud, yeah, beautiful fan shroud, but I have a 1-inch body lift. Everybody offers a stock fan shroud or a 2-inch. Supposedly Tom's has a 2-inch one, but it's steel, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll have to figure that out. What else did we do? Got all the wiring done down here. Very congested nut. I mean, I'm happy with this, but this is kind of a rat's nest. Put boots on it to protect the alternator fuse. Not wild about the transmission line. It touches barely the radiator hose, so I've ordered an extender. I figure if I bring that out about 1 inch, it'll clear everything going in. That looks so much better than what I had last week. Got the battery in. Put in the tray with the billet mount from Wild Horses, of course. From Fat Fender Garage out in Gilbert, Arizona, water reservoir. I think it looks pretty dang good. Got all the wiring all loomed up, even got a horn in. So we're making progress. We got the fold and tumble seat, which I bought at Tom's, over to the upholster. Gonna upholster it with leather. So hopefully by this time next week we'll have that to show to you and some mounted seats, and maybe we'll put some carpet in. But also, yes, it would be nice to get it up and running. So tonight, before I go to bed, spark plug wires. And then I need to make sure we got electricity for everything. So that's where we're at. So quick update for you guys. I hope you guys have a blessed week. Take care.